Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today video we are going to be styling this camo hoodie in a three nice outfit idea you're gonna like. I'm gonna like it. You're gonna like it because when I put it on, you're gonna be getting a lot of compliment, and I'm gonna be getting a lot of compliment because the style is gonna be amazing and the outfit is gonna be nice outfit as well. So my cool my lovely people, let's go. Outfit, you see the way the first outfit look amazing. I like the way the hoodie look. The camo hoodie is amazing. I like the color combination as well. Way the lime green on, amazing. And we put chunky sole over some. It looking kind of cool, stylish, and cool at the same time, and street vibe as well. I like this vibe, honestly. And the way it's so the hoodie is a rule of thought. And it's not that short and it's not kind of long as well. So it just make more sense. You see the way it is, it's not too lower and it's not too high up. I like the way he look. Very nice, very cool. What I did, I put chunky sole overs on. You can put white trainers on or chunky sole overs to give the joggers in a very stylish vibe, because the joggers it have its own. Is a baggy kind of baggy joggers or straight joggers. Let's call it baggy a little bit, but it's not baggy. But it cannot be a little bit nicer when you put chunky sole overs on or trainers on. It's gonna give you that vibe. And the camo as well. The camo hoodie, I like the way he look. You see the way I didn't zip it all the way down or all the way up. At the middle, you leave the zip there. Then you can put vest up or round neck underneath as well. You put your bracelets, your ring, your necklace, your wristwatch, you put it on. Adjust your hair. Cool. You're gonna be vibing, you're gonna be nicer. I like this vibe. Honestly, very stylish vibe as well. Very cool. I don't see anything wrong with this style as well. Very nice, very cool. Just amazing. I like the vibe. I can't say anything wrong about this style. Just too cool, too chill, too nice as well. I like the camo as well. The way he give me something cooler, something nicer. Honestly, it looking cool. I like it. I can't lie, Alex. Nice, amazing. Street vibe as well. All type of coolers you can call it, and drips as well. I like it. Streetwear as well. Streetwear as well. I like, honestly, you will get a lot of compliment if you step out like this. You see the way I pull the camo, you see the color of the joggers and the trainers as well, or the chunky solover I put it on. So you need to do the same way, because people will know you're looking fresh, you're looking dapper. They don't have any option to give you compliment. So if you don't have the same, or you have hoodie and joggers, you can style it the same way I style these. Then you're gonna be looking really fly. If you want to even make it more better, you get the same color or the same style as well. I like this style. It's amazing style, because if you style it, people will know you're different, you're nicer, you're fresh. So why you not styling the way I'm styling? Just press it with the iron. Press your joggers with the iron. Press your hoodie with the iron. Get yourself ready. Clean your shoe. Put your necklace, your bracelet, your wristwatch. Get ready. Then again, if you want to even make it in a different way, in a vibing way, you put sunglasses on, because sunglasses is amazing. Honestly, I just like it. It can cool the outfit. The outfit just getting better when you put the sunglasses on. You can't see anything wrong. You see the way the style look, different style, different pose, different swag, different dripping. I like it. People will know you're vibing, you're cool when they see you like this, because they don't see any option not to give you compliment. They will try their best and they will give you a lot of compliment because you're looking cool. I like this vibe. We can keep going. It can keep better if you use style it this way, and people will recognize you every day you style it this outfit. They will know you're looking cool. Every day you step out, they will know you're looking cool, and they will be waiting to see the next style you're gonna put it on, because something's always different. The vibe, the styling tips. That's why I say to you, come back more. Come back for more, because it's gonna be styling tips. It's gonna be styling. It's gonna be fresh. It's gonna be dripping. It's gonna be dapper. It's gonna be street vibe. It all kind of hard in different color. We can all make it looking cool. From here, it's only here we can make any color better. Honestly, 100% sure any color we can pull it off from here, from Sharkcool Style. So you need to come back for more, because you're all gonna be getting better and we're all gonna be getting anything from it. Because if you come back, you win. If you come back, I win. We all win. Why not? Because you're my people and I'm your people. So why not try this and looking cool? Because it looking cool. Let me check again. I like this swag. Honestly, it's just amazing. It's just amazing. I like it. The hood, the color of the wood, the camo, amazing, amazing. I got a different type of camo, but this one is just unique. It's just different. I just like it. It just the hood as well. Amazing, amazing. I like it. There's nothing wrong about this. It's different vibe, different vibe. I like it. You pose, you cool, you chill. All different vibe with these outfits. I like it. Amazing, amazing. Honestly, there's nothing wrong about these. I just like these. You feel really cool. Does he not see the way I'm relaxing? Because the outfit give you that kind of, the outfit gives you kind of, I'm looking for the word. I think street vibe and chill vibe as well. Cool. I like it. I like it, honestly. So my coolest people, let's move on to the next. You can see we put different trousers on. Amazing. With the cream trainers, Adidas on. Very nice as well. Very cool. Very casual. Very stylish as well. Dripping as well. I like it. Very smart at the same time. I like the way he looks. Very cool. And the trouser is skinny as well. Very skinny trousers. Amazing. And with the trainers, it just make more sense. We're keeping cool. This is not bagging. We put skinny trousers on in a very nice way. You're getting better. You're getting cooler. I like the color, and the color kind of cool together. Cool. The camo getting better, getting nicer. I like the way he looks. I don't say anything wrong about this, because I'm just getting excited. You know why, guys? It's looking cool, and that's how it's gonna looking cool on you. If you style it the same way I'm styling right now, people don't have any option to give you a compliment, because you deserve it, because they can't say anything wrong, and they were just gonna compliment you because it looking cool on me. I like it. Don't forget your wristwatch, your bracelet, your rings. Put it on. Your necklace is gonna be looking fresh and dapper, and people will know you're different. I like this camo. Amazing. I don't see anything wrong about this camo. It's just cool. And the way the tailor sew this, they sew it properly. They did the right job, because I like the way it end up here, not there. It kind of cool. So it give more fitting as well. If I pocket as well, you guys can see the way he look when I pocket. It looking really even cooler, really nice as well, because it's not kind of long down there. It's there, and it's very smart and stylish as well. I like it. I like it. And the way the tailor sew, then sew it properly, the need, everything, the trade, and everything just cool. Everything just smart. And the sleeve as well, amazing. It grip you properly, very nice as well. I like it. I like the camo. And the hood as well, very nice as well. You can even put the hood on if you feel like. It's still looking cool. Look at that. If I put the hood on, it just keep it even more better, keep it nicer as well. What do you guys think? Put the hood on or no? I think I like it with the hood. It gives you different vibe, different coolness. I like it. We keep him better. We keep him good. We keep him going to different level of styling tips and tricks. I like this style, and the outfit is amazing outfit. You can see from far. It's very cool. And if you style it the way I'm styling right now, there's no any option. People will know you're looking cool. You're looking dapper. You see the way he look on me, right? Amazing, right? Looking cool, street vibe. And people will know you're looking cool, because they don't have any option. They will be looking like, they'll be thinking, I think you're looking cool, and they'll walk closer to you and they will give you the compliment that you deserve. Look at me, looking dapper. There's no any option rather than to give you compliment that you deserve, because the vibe, the styling is just amazing. It's just cool. I like the way he look. He looking cool on me, and that's how he's gonna looking cool on you. Again, let's flip it off. Let's see the way he look when you flip it off. You see, it give me different vibe as well. If you want to flip your hood up, just flip it a little bit. Don't flip it backward. Look, flip it backward a little bit. Look at it, give you different styling, different vibe as well, and it give more fitting as well. I like this, honestly, even more better. I like this, amazing, amazing. We can keep it going, keep it different style. It's gonna be amazing, honestly. If you style it the way I'm styling right now, people will give you look, and they don't have any option. Honestly, when they see you, they will know different because you're different anyway. Because the style is there. Look, the vibe is there. The camo, the way you put it on, you hang on your trouser, you hang on your hood, you put vest up underneath, and you put your wristwatch, your bracelets, your ring, your necklace on, and again you top here with the sunglasses. They don't have any option. They know you're different. Look at that. Does it not look cool? It does. It does. Different vibe. Honestly, I like this vibe. Amazing. I'm enjoying the vibe as well. Honestly, it's just fresh. Look, I like it. I like this. Honestly, very cool. Honestly, this is amazing. This is amazing. Honestly, I like this. I can't lie. I'm checking it properly, looking at it look cool on me. I like it. I like it. I like it. Very cool. Very straight vibe as well. And swag as well. Different vibe. Different coolest vibe. I like it. I like it. Make sure you adjust your hair. Check your hair properly. Spray heat to all kind of nice stuff to your hair. And you're gonna be dripping. You're gonna be dapper. You're gonna be nice as well. And people will come closer to you. They will just give you compliment because they know you're fresh, you're dapper, you're cool. I like this. So my coolest, my nicest people, let's move on to the next. You can see the way the last one look. I like these joggers as well. The color and the trainers, it make more sense. They're looking cool together. You see the way I'm making the color look with the joggers and with the hoodie as well. The camo have different type of vibe on its own. So I'm giving you kind of different idea how you can start this camo in a very coolest way, and you're gonna be different. You're gonna be cool. Different outfit, people will know you're different. You're cool. Today you're different. Tomorrow you're looking fly. Next tomorrow you're looking fresh. Tomorrow you're looking stylish. Every day you're gonna be dapper. I like this as well. This kind of cool, kind of relax and chill and fresh at the same time. Honestly, amazing, amazing vibe. And you can see how they look. They're looking very cool, very relaxing. Make sure you press your joggers with the iron as well, because you don't want to let it crisp, let it rough. You want it to be fly, you want it to be smooth. And that's how you're going to be when you iron it. It's going to be fly and stylish as well. You can see the color of the trainers I put it on. With this type of camo as well. It look kind of cool together and vibing as well. I like this. And we can keep going, keep doing well with this color camo. We're gonna be better. We're gonna be nicer because there's not any option, because the vibe is there, the style is there. You can see how it look cool on me. Does it not look cool? Yes, it does. If you have this, the same similar the camo, you can style it this way, and people will know you're cool and you're fresh, you're dapper. You look at me right now, you're looking cool. Am I looking at you right now? You're looking cool as well. And if you style the way I'm styling right now, people from outside, they will be know you're looking cool. People from outside, they know you're looking cool. Why not? You need to style this way. Make sure you clean your trainers, iron your joggers, fresh, hoodie as well. Iron it, feeling cool. Don't forget, you need to put white vest up or t-shirt underneath as well. You're looking cool. If you don't put anything on, it won't bring the camo out more, because the color, because the camo have its own color, make it even more better when you put white round neck underneath. If you put black on, it won't bring the camo come out properly. But if you put white underneath, you will see from far. You will give the different style, and the style is amazing style. I'm getting too much exciting because the vibe as well, the way he look. Can you not see properly? The way he smiles on me, the way he fresh, the way he's looking. I like it as well. I can't tell you. There's not. I can't tell you anything because it looking cool. So the only thing you want to be cool is to style it this way. If you style it this way, people will know you're looking cool. And if they look at you, they will give you a compliment. Let me put my sunglasses on. Let's say, you know I like my sunglasses and you need to put yours as well because you can see it will look cool. Does it not look cool? It look cool. You looking at me right now? You're looking cool too. I'm looking cool. We all looking cool. And people from outside, they will know you're looking cool. If you style it the way I'm styled right now, amazing style. Coolest vibe as well. I like it. I like it. Very cool camo. Very cool vibing as well. Very chill. Very nice. Kind of cool. I even like it better. I want to say I like it better because when I put another one up, you like the other one. Then again, you like the other one. Then you like, you can't say you don't like all of them because they're all looking cool. This is what I'm saying to you guys. You need to come back for more. The first one, the second one, the third one, you're going to see something you like in all the outfit that I've been trying to put on together for you guys. Because I know if you style it the way I'm styled right now, people from outside, they will give you compliment every day you step out. They want to see what you're going to put on because they will know you're different, you're cool. Your styling tips is another level and your styling saying is another planet. So why not? They're not going to be waiting for you to see what's going to happen, what style you're going to put it on, what outfits you're going to put on because they know you're going to be dripping, you're going to be dapper. So my coolest people, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you lovely, amazing, beautiful, handsome people another day. Take care.